Hey gardeners, Amy here with Garden Up. Some of you might remember a couple of years ago, I filmed a video in this spot where we dug up a giant burdock that was growing right here. The plant was huge, it was shading out all of my perennials, it got all the way up into the tree and we couldn't walk past without catching our hair on those burr little seeds. So we did the video and we dug it up. I just bent a garden fork on this beast.
About that big around.
Oh my goodness.
And it's going straight down.
Straight down. But that taproot goes straight down. And it's just gonna grow back if we didn't do something about the taproot. Well, it has now been a full season plus the end of that fall and the beginning of this spring, and I have not seen any new growth. Now, do you remember what I did to cover up that taproot? I buried a box over top of it. And so today I want to excavate that box, see if my hypotheses were correct as far as what would happen when we put a box on top of a taproot, and really see what happened a year and a half later. So let's dive in. So I first had this idea that I now call my box trick when a client asked me to dig up a rhubarb plant so that she could plant a rose in that spot. Well, if you've ever tried to dig up a rhubarb plant, you know that you're not digging up a rhubarb plant. It's not going to happen. That root goes straight down so deep, there's no way you're going to get it out and actually be successful. It's kind of like a yucca or several types of thistle weeds. Those tap roots go to China, and if you don't get the whole thing, it's just going to come back. So I had an idea. I thought, let's dig as far as we reasonably can and then put a box on top of it and bury the box. And what should happen is the new sprouts from that taproot that's still down there should grow and try to leaf out because there's an air pocket in the box, but they'll get caught in the box and never be able to escape and never be able to photosynthesize, which will eventually starve and kill that root. So far, it's worked almost every time. I've done it now several times. That client with the rhubarb, we took care of her yard for another almost 2 years after that. We never saw any more signs of that rhubarb coming back. This burdock here, we've never seen any signs of that rhubarb coming back. I did have one client who had a giant sea holly thistle, and that box failed. And I suspect that it was because we didn't bury the box deep enough, but I'm honestly not sure. I wasn't there when we did that one, so I don't know what happened and what went wrong with that one. But today's the day I want to excavate this and really see what's going on beneath the soil. So let's get started. Okay, so I put the flag here specifically so I could mark where that box was because I wanted to film this video in a couple of years. I need to be especially careful of where I dig because I have astilbes, hellebores, ligularia, and there's also a regertia right here that's just starting to come up. So I need to plan where I'm going to put my dirt. It's going to go right there and right here. That way it's still in the bed. I'm going to go slow because I don't want to bust a hole in the box. So herein lies the question, where do we actually bury that box? I tried real hard not to plant anything here. Here's the root that was in that original video. Okay, come on, I know it wasn't this deep. I should at least be seeing like some tape or something. Some packing tape from those boxes. What the heck? I knew I should have done this last year.
Because you think it disintegrated? Or
I think it just completely disintegrated. Like, I know I'm digging in the right spot. It's right here. We just checked. It was right next to the ligularia. And here's the root that was in the front of the view with the video. Oh my god. What? Did it work that well? Come on.
Let's see how big of a hole we can make before
Right?
we give up.
Wait. That's some kind of plastic. I don't think that's the remnants of my cardboard. I thought it might be the, the shiny off the box or something. Or a piece of packing tape or something.
You need like an X-ray
Right?
scan.
Those ultrasound
Right.
underground scanner things. Where is it? Yeah, I couldn't even use like a metal detector. There was no metal.
You can just start planting a little piece of metal in your boxes.
Heck yeah. That's what the flag was supposed to be for. Oh my god. Oh. No. Leaf. Damn it. Is that cardboard? No. Oh.
You'd think we were digging for treasure.
Yeah,
You
I
got
know,
so
right?
excited when you found that leaf.
Just nada. Nothing. Where the heck did it go? I'm getting a little frustrated. Oh my god. Okay, so it's gotta be here. I tried to plant a bleeding heart right on top of the box, which is what I went back and looked at a couple of times. That plant did not survive, sadly. I think I concede. I think it won. I don't think I planted these still be active. Oh, it was here. Well, alright, I give. I'm done. There's not too many other spots it could be. This is hilarious. Complete decomposition in under 2 years, and there's no sign of the root either. Well, I got nothing. Less than a year and a half, and apparently the box has completely disintegrated. Like, no evidence whatsoever of either of the boxes, because I actually put two nested on top of each other. I couldn't find the shiny stuff. I couldn't find tape, which there may not have been tape, but there should have been like glue or the shiny coating or something I thought would still be in there. There's nothing. And there's no evidence of the root either. So I'm gonna chalk it up as a successful box trick, even though the experiment itself kind of failed. Next time I try this, I will dig it up sooner. So stand by, I guess. And if you have a troublesome deep perennial taproot weed that you really want to get rid of, try the box trick.